Jai Srimanarayana. 11th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sarvadvareshu Dehesmin Prakasha Upajayate Jnanam yada tada vidyat vivruddham sattvamithyuta. Om. Make sure Sattvika Gunam is always predominant in you, so it leads you to upwards and it helps you to increase your jnanam, purity, peace and harmony. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on trying to see Sattvika Gunam is predominant in me, which helps me move upwards, which helps me increase my jnanam, purity, peace and harmony. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your word. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमु दशमस्कन्धमु 10th skandham 272nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, after Dhenukasura was killed by Balarama, Devatas showered all the flowers on Balarama Krishna. After that, Krishna Kamalapatraksha Punyashravanakirtana स्तूयमानोऽनुगैः गोपैः साग्रजो व्रजमाव्रजत्. Krishna Paramatma, the one who has beautiful lotus-like eyes, such Paramatma along with Balarama now coming back to Nandavraj, Vrindavan. All the Gopalas were praising Krishna and his glory. At that time, Krishna Paramatma was looking so beautiful. Tam go rajaha churita kuntala baddha barha gopada renu sankalita kuntala baddha mayura pinchun uddipita mandahasa subha drushtila sanmukhun. Krishna Paramatma was looking so beautiful. All of his hair, Krishna Paramatma's hair, got filled up with dust, which was raised from the feet of cows from the earth. With that, the curly hair of Krishna Paramatma is looking more beautiful. And to that kind of curly, beautiful hair, Krishna Paramatma put one peacock feather and he decorated his hair with so many flowers which were available in the forest. With that kind of decoration, Krishna Paramatma is looking more and more beautiful. Along with that, when all the Gopalas were praising Krishna in the form of some songs, tuning to that song, Krishna Paramatma Venum Kvanantam Anugaihi Upagita Kirtim. He is giving nice music to the songs which were sung by Gopalas. Krishna Paramatma giving Venunadam to that song, to those songs. So with all that, while he is doing flute, he is playing flute, he is looking good, his hair is so much decorated. With all that, Krishna Paramatma's beauty is, we cannot even describe. To that extent, he is looking so beautiful. And from the Vraj, Gopikas coming in groups, they are all staring at Krishna and enjoying Krishna Paramatma's beauty. And Krishna Paramatma giving his beautiful darshanam to all the Gopikas. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 11th sloka. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasa upajayate jnanam yada tada vidyat vivruddham sattvamityuta. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasa upajayate jnanam yada tada vidyat vivruddham sattvamityuta. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.